Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the URL of your Wix website. And if you ever wanted to update your website's URL for better branding or for SEO purposes, this video is for you. But before we jump right into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below, and do not forget to ring the notification bell as well so you never miss out on our latest content. And for all of our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel, and I'm grateful for your continued support. Okay, let's dive right into it. Changing the URL of your website. Okay, first thing first, all I'm gonna do is go to the web browser of your choice. Right now, I'm using Google Chrome. And once you go to Wix.com, create an account if you don't have one. By the way, Wix.com is compatible to all types of browser like Brave, Safari, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and whatnot. So I'm using Google Chrome right now. Once you are here in this interface, create an account. Once you've created your account, log in with your credentials, and then you go here. Got to switch site menu. Okay. Once you are on the site menu, go to settings right here. Okay, this one, say for example, this one is the menus, or you can update it like maybe about us, right? You go here to the SEO basics, and as you can see, the about us is already changes. Earlier it was menu, so once you've updated that, it's gonna change it as well. So the URL is already changes from this one to this one, right? So when you hover here to the SEO, to the SEO basics, that's gonna happen, right? So once again, we hover to the page info, right? Right here. So what's the need of changing URL of your Wix website? So there are a lot of business that undergoes a rebranding. So changing the URL to match your new brand or identity is essential to maintain consistency. A more search engine friendly URL structure can enhance your website's SEO. Short, descriptive URLs with relevant keywords can help your site rank higher in search result. It's been proven for so many long. If you made a typo in your original URL, or if the URL structure does not accurately reflect your content, it's important to correct it, right? And for example, if you decide to use a custom domain name or migrate to a different domain register, you'll need to change your URL. And if you have multiple websites and you want to merge their content, you might want to change the URL so to a one site to align with the others. And remember, as your website content evolves, you may find the original URL is no longer relevant to the current focus of your offerings, right? And sometimes there are situations that removing special characters or symbols from your URL can simplify and make it more user and SEO friendly. It's all about SEO to generate traffic, more visits, and more visits means it'll generate revenue, right? So if you're concerned about duplicate content issues, like for example, multiple URLs leading to the same content, consolidating URLs can help avoid SEO problems in the future. And there are also cases that if you have broken or outdated links, changing your URL structure can help resolve these issues and improve the user experience. Okay, so once again, what we can have here is like edit this one. Let's say, you see, it changes, right? And that's how you change your URL in Wix website. How cool is that? Very handy, right? And also, may I remind you guys that it's important to note that when you change URLs, you should implement the proper 301 redirects from the old URLs to the new ones, because it maintains your website's SEO authority and ensures a seamless experience for visitors who access your site through old links or bookmarks. And also remember, ensuring your URLs comply with legal or industry specific regulations is crucial, and sometimes you may need to adjust URLs to meet these requirements. Once again, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.